In today's video, I will show you how Threads being linked to Instagram works. Because Threads is built directly on Meta's social network infrastructure, understanding how the two platforms share information makes managing your online presence much simpler. When it comes to account connection and identity, Threads offers a convenient single login setup, allowing you to sign in using your existing Instagram credentials without needing a separate password. Your Instagram username automatically becomes your Threads handle to keep your profile consistent across apps, and any accounts you have blocked on Instagram automatically carry over so they stay blocked on Threads as well. Plus, during initial setup, you can import your bio, profile picture, and follower list directly from Instagram with a single tap. As for feed and content separation, both apps keep your activity distinct. Independent posts mean that what you write on Threads will not automatically show up on your main Instagram feed or grid. If you do want to share across platforms, cross-sharing lets you manually post a thread directly to your Instagram story or send it to your grid as a standard post. Finally, keep in mind that both apps serve a different focus. Instagram centers on visual media like photos and short video stories, whereas Threads centers on text updates up to 500 characters and public conversations. And that's it. That's how Threads being linked to Instagram works.